Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. I mean, it's pretty obvious what this Halloween tutorial is from the title and from my look right now. If you don't know what it is, then oh my lord, you need to watch The Greatest Showman. It is literally one of my favourite films at the moment. To be fair, I have to say it's probably my favourite film of 2018. I love the songs. I literally listen to the soundtrack every day. If you ask Robin, he gets annoyed with me because I just play their album over and over. It is such a good film, and because it's such a good film, I thought that this Halloween there probably would be a lot of people dressing up as characters from the film and kind of just getting inspired from it for their Halloween makeup or their costume. So I've decided to do this Halloween tutorial from the character who is played by Zendaya. I think that's how you pronounce her name. She is the trapeze artist. She's got pink hair, the most glam outfit, and yeah, I just love the way she looks in the film, so I wanted to recreate this today. It's super easy to do. All I've done is literally purchased a kind of wavy curly wig off eBay in pink, and I got this purple kind of satiny collar from eBay as well, and all you really need to do is just pair it with the purple leotard and maybe some sparkly tights and you are pretty much set. And yeah, it's super easy, it's super affordable. You've probably got a pink lip, a pink blush and some lashes in your makeup kit, and yeah, I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. I put links below to all the products for you to shop. Let's get going.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? So
that was it. What did you guys think? Was it not really super easy to follow? The Greatest Showman is such a good Halloween idea this year because the outfits are easy to create, it's affordable, and you're just gonna look fab. And yeah, the film is just awesome. If you haven't seen it, honestly, please watch it. And if you've watched it, what did you guys think? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Literally a big fan over here. And I have heard apparently it's coming out in the West End. So when that does happen, I am getting a ticket. I need to go and see it in the theatres. Yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. As I said before, all the products are below for you to shop if you want to really create this exact look that I've done. But obviously, if you want to grab the proper kind of Halloween costume bits off of eBay, the links are below for that. Yeah, I've got lots of Halloween tutorials coming this October on my YouTube channel. I think pretty much every video is going to be Halloween, apart from my weekly vlogs, which go up on a Tuesday if you watch those. So yeah, I've got lots of ideas and a lot of them are quite quirky. I've got one that's my fave that I've not seen before, so that is exciting. I got a little bit creative with that one. But yeah, thanks for watching, and do keep an eye out for more Halloween tutorials coming soon. Peace out.